Hey everyone, this is Pei-San Brown. I'm Ballet Austin's Education Director, and I also teach hula for the Butler Center for Dance and Fitness. I just finished teaching hula. It's a Tuesday night, and needed to whip up something really quick for dinner. So I'm doing this, just a bunch of leftovers for stir fry, and then I'm adding some brown rice that I've already made in so that it's just a really healthy quick dinner. So I added, first I chopped red onions. You can see them here, pretty small, just one small red onion, and then I softened those first in olive oil, and then I added shiitake mushrooms, which I buy dried and then I rehydrate them and slice them. I added some tuna from, pink salmon from a can, and kind of broke it up. There's a piece there. And then some leftover tofu that I actually baked last night. And whatever I had left over, I put that in. Some frozen corn and peas, as well as chopped arugula. I'm going to add my brown rice to this and then add whatever sauce I like. I'll probably go for Trader Joe's soyaki or honey barbecue sriracha. Those are kind of my two favorites. I did end up choosing the sriracha roasted garlic barbecue sauce. Also added some chopped green onions and a little bit of lime juice to the top. Looks so delicious. Leftover stir fry fried rice.